Hey fabulous folks, welcome back to the coolest Excel heaven in the internet where your resident office boy serves up the perfect concoction of office wisdom and solutions. Brace yourself because we are spicing things up. From now on we are flipping the script, bringing you a whole new level of fun in the world of Excel solutions. So buckle up as we unveil the instances where Excel goes ops and expose the common mistakes we have all been guilty of. Get ready to laugh, learn and excel in the art of spreadsheet wizardry. As you all know, the equation of sum in a basic function you have been using a decades in Excel for simple calculations. But let me drop a little bombshell on you. Did you know that the whopping 69 of Excel users are doing it all wrong? Crazy, right? Today we are diving deep into the world of summation, exposing the incorrect ways it's been used and unveiling the secrets of doing it right way. We are talking about keeping it simple, easy and achieving the best of the best results. Are you ready to challenge the way you've been crunching numbers all the time? I am. Are you with me? Then keep those eyes glued on the screen because this is the perfect blend of office errors and solutions served up by your one and only office boy. Alright, buckle up. We are about to embark on the journey to the wild land of incorrect Excel methods. Get ready to witness the ops moment in action. The first one is manual entry. This is typing each number in the range and adding them manually. What is the issue here? This is prone to errors, time consuming and not efficient for large data sets. Second one is using the plus operator. This is typing formulas like equal A1 plus B1 plus C1 to the end to add individual cells. The issue here is this is cumbersome and impractical for extensive ranges. Third one is using the sum function incorrectly. Incorrect method here is applying the sum function without selecting a range. As example, equal sum A1, B1, C1. Issue here is it works, but it's not efficient. The selecting a range is better. Alright, let's dive into the pool of correct Excel wisdom. Get ready because this is the answer you've been waiting for. Focus mode activated. First one is using the sum function. The correct method is simply use a sum function with a specified data range like this. This is quick, accurate and scalable for large datasets. Second, auto sum button. The correct method is select the cell where you want the sum. Then click the auto sum button on the toolbar here. Advantage are automatically select the reasonable range, saving time. Third, drag to sum. The correct method, drag in the fill handle, a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, or the range you want to sum. This is quick and visually intuitive. And then using named ranges. The correct method, define a named range for your data and use it in the sum function. See this example. Advantage, improves formula readability and ease of updating. And the last one is pure table sum. The correct method, creating a pure table in summarizing data using the sum function. Remember that the mind-blowing video we unveiled the secrets of using pure table in Excel? If you blinked and missed it, don't worry, the description is your treasure map. Go and find it. The advantage of this method is powerful and dynamic analysis and summarization. Congratulations, spreadsheet wizards, you have just leveled up your Excel game. Now armed with the right summation tricks, you are practically Excel superheroes, but hold into your caps because this is just the beginning of our spreadsheet adventures together. Hit that subscribe button, unleash the notification bell and get ready for more Excel enhancement in our next video. Until then, keep summing it up with style and I'll catch you in the next one, where the Excel dreams come true.